Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will be showing you guys how to record vocals in FL Studio. So it's gonna be really basic. First open your track and then right click on the track one, and then in this tab you need to go track mode and then click on audio track and then insert one. And then after this you can just click on the record button at the top. And then in this tab, you need to click on audio into the playlist as an audio clip. And then in this tab, you need to basically choose the microphone. So you can do mono or stereo. So I prefer to do stereo, but you can do mono too. Click on it. And then now you can basically hear your microphone in here. And then just close this one. And then when you click on the record button, it's gonna start recording. So as you guys can see, right now it's recording. So this is how to record vocals in FL Studio. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next one.